who will not complete. I will not give from the day one of JavaScript itself. I will remove that. Opening will be a start from JavaScript. Still, I had not removed anyone. That day we will see. So up to where we had told regarding the practice in case of Bootstrap.
Up
What
till
topic I
alerts.
had up to alert?
Sir,
Alert
alert, sir,
already I
alert.
had done. Alert
Yes,
I had done. I had given the task of button. Had anyone
yes.
practice?
Yes, sir. I have
Anyone?
done button. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what was the
Okay.
class of the button?
So BTN.
Sir, BTN.
BTN. Fine. If you have to pass the color
Then we
for
use
that
the
MS.
BTN
BTN
first
hyper
page,
danger, BTN hyper
BTN
secondary like
danger,
that.
BTN warning.
Okay. Means first we will pass a parent or without parent or also it will work.
Without parent also it works. I tested that like BG danger background color.
Yeah, fine. So it will work without that also. Day 4 and this is 1. Okay. So what we will do, we going to start today button. So different as we had seen the but different properties and what are the best practice we had discussed regarding the code. How we have to write. We have to take a semantic tag and non-semantic tag. Correct or not? Sweta, you know what is semantic tag?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
That semantic means meaningful. That's not sir.
Semantic means?
In HTML, sir.
Yeah, that is in HTML. So what is the meaning of semantic?
Meaningful.
Okay, meaningful. So can you give any example of semantic tag?
Yeah, sir. Heading, section.
Okay,
That,
fine. So you have to find out what is the issue in this one. The page is going to load and you have to find out what is issue. There is no issue. Oh, already link is added. I thought link is not added. Okay. So see what we had done. We got different style of the button. What we had taken here, just see. We taken the input tag that is button. Fine. Second, we had passed the class. Which what is the class name? Class name is BTN. Okay. So when you want means by default bootstrap button, just we will take the class BTN. That's it. But when we want a different color of that, then for the getting color, we had to learn BG hyphen color name like danger, primary, secondary, like that. Then for the text, we had gone text hyphen color name. Then for alert, we had seen alert hyphen something color name. Means naming convention is also as like the tag. Okay, so here we going to work with the button. What we will do? Be taking here BTN is the parent tag, means a parent class name, and then his child is like a BTN hyphen primary. So this way we can pass a color BTN hyphen whatever color you want, that one. Anyone having any issue in this one? Tell me. I not thinking now you will get issue. Now we covered too much things. Anyone having issue? Then tell me how we will get this. Just with the help of class BTN hyphen danger, we will get the red color. If you want green color, what class will be?
BTN.
Success.
BTN hyphen success. Fine.
Yes.
We got the success. Clear? Next. Take this. What is here? So see here, we have taken different button. Okay. So what is that? One is anchor tag. First is link button. What class we have taken? Class name is just normal. That one. Do one thing. Remove this class. What are you thinking? how this will become? What are you thinking? It will be look like a link as like anchor tag normal, or it will came with the design? What are you thinking?
No, it will be look like normal, like anchor tag.
Normal anchor tag. Let's see. So it came normal anchor tag. Fine, because that is just anchor tag. See, as like anchor tag we are taking that one. But if you want to make something, what we want? We want to make this as a button. That's why we taken the class button. Means sorry, BTN. And we not want this like a info or that color. We want something danger. We will take that. Means we want a red color. We will take that. Means link is converted into button. So next, this already we seen that how we can take the button. Then second, input field. We take an input, and we had already learned this thing that a type equal to button. In the input also we can take that as like normal. Suppose we taking input, fine, and type, okay, let it to be type equal to text. Save. We got the type equal to text. We got here.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, we got here type equal to text. I not want type equal to text. I want this to be button. Already type have this button property. See the first input type equal to button. Save. You will not get anything because the name is not there. So how name will come? Give me 1 second. Yeah, tell me how name will come.
Or name you are going to give value.
For that we have to pass a value. Amol, is this correct or not? Beta, is this correct? We have to pass here value.
Yes, sir.
What you thinking? Whether output will be value will be what? Click or something, or it will be something different? Means whatever be written in the case of value, it will appear there or not?
It appear like button, sir.
Means on the button name will appear. Save.
Yes, sir.
So we got the click me. But I want this to make as a bootstrap. What we will do? We will just pass the class. Which class?
Yes.
Bootstrap class.
Button.
BTN.
Button success.
BTN and whatever color you want. Save.
Sir, why you use two
What?
button?
Where button?
Why
Line
these
number?
two types?
Where line number?
Sir,
Sir, line number
no, she is asking why we are taking button two time. Why you are taking?
Which buttons?
Sir,
This one.
inside class.
Class.
Why
This one.
Yes, why taking?
Okay, Samir.
Yes, why
one
we are
second.
writing?
Okay, Samir, 1 second. Yeah, Shivani, carry on. This one.
Sir, inside class, why we use button two times?
This one you telling. So this become parent. As like, suppose you have to create a table. What you was doing? First you was
Sir,
taking.
if
Suppose
you
B.
remove this button, proper to
Your voice is not coming proper.
Sir, if you remove one button,
Yeah.
then also it
This one.
working. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, this will work. But parent already have some property, so that will not work there. Let's see. Had you realized the changes?
Okay.
Button becomes short, small. But when you coming this BTN property, let's see. It become healthy. Correct? So that's why, because already that BTN also have some property. Got it?
Yeah.
As like, suppose whatever we had studied in still in the bootstrap case, everywhere be taking the same type. Suppose let's do one experiment. I don't know what it will do. Let's take here alert. Okay, and take a alert alert danger. Let's see what it's going to do. Had it done anything? It had done. In the case of danger, we have to get the complete dark color. See, but here it getting something color light dark, means light red type. Because this alert property. Because yesterday we had seen that. Correct. So I was thinking it will come like alert type or not, but it's not like that. So not an issue. But whatever you will take, so you have to take parent, and after that you have to move in the child. Clear, Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So everywhere from the still starting itself, be taking like parent and then child in all case. If you're not taking, then sure some changes will be. So here, see, input type equal to button. Again, class is something and value is something. Okay. So what is the changes in this case? We had taken input, but we had taken the type equal to button. Second, in this case, what is there? We taking an input, but type is submit. You will see this thing. What is difference between type submit, type button, and already button? This all three already have something difference. Okay. When we will work with the form, that time you will realize that some differences are there. Okay. Clear in the case of button. Anyone? Any doubt?
No
Lalan,
doubt,
any
sir.
doubt? Okay. Next, what I want? I want a button outline. Outline means what? As like in CSS, we had studied something outline was there. Can anyone tell me how we can write outline property? Tell me. I taken H1 header. Tell me I want to add outline around this one. How we'll pass a style? Praful, Roshan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me how I will pass outline.
Sir, border outer outline, border outline.
Border hyphen out. It's not coming.
Sir, BTN
It's
outline.
not. No. I think direct outline
So
property is
only
there.
outline, sir.
Yes,
Outline.
Yeah. One pixel.
direct come.
Then so I think direct outline or some value was there.
Solid, sir.
Yeah,
Solid and the color,
complete.
like
Yeah,
border.
solid and red. So see, due to this outline, this one is coming. Okay, but this is not a border. There is something difference in both case. Okay. Border 2 pixel.
But sir, it's look like a normal border, sir.
Yeah, it's look like. Just wait. Who is sending message? Roj. Roj, I will turn off your camera. See, what is difference here?
Taking a screenshot.
Yeah, keep that all images. If now onwards, if you told I want image, that time I will show you. Wait. Just tell me I want image. See here, due to outline, where is it going? Outline is going outside. Already 2 pixel and red color is coming. That is outside. And border, which is green color. Green is coming here after that text. Correct. So that is the difference. Means outline will be always outside the border. Whether you written that first or second, it not depending on the position. It depending on their property. Same thing. We want with the help of which one? Bootstrap. How we can do? So with the help of bootline, class is same type. btn hyphen outline. Okay. Means it will be button, but we can take the class as like a btn hyphen outline, like that way. So out button, okay, and outline outline button. Okay. Wait, I think class already copied. Yeah, class already copied. Let's save. Let's see. So where is that? So let's comment this one. So this become outline button. Why we not get any color in this section? So see what is the difference when you moving the cursor over this, you get the color. Got this benefit. If you want the same line of, now see the benefit, how much benefit is there. How much line of code you written here? Just one line, correct? But for same property, how much you have to write in CSS? mouse over. On that, you have to change the background color, text color. By default, color will be
Yes.
white and text color will be something. Then border radius. Then
Yes.
button means approx 5 line of code should be 5 to 7 line. How much we had written here? Just 1 line of class. Had you realized the benefit? Okay. But if you remove this one, button and outline, what are you thinking? What will be the output?
And the simple color will come.
Means color
Graphic-
will be inside. Yeah,
Yes.
it will get filled as like a top. Just see. Got it? But same property, it was working when we had passed the outline. That time we was getting that mouse over property. So see, if you passing whatever color you passed, it will work. SUCC success. See, clear? Sweta, are you getting? So this way we can add outline. Clear? Now come to the button size. So there are 3 classes: BTN-LG for large screen, means a large button, normal by default, no need of that. And if you want a small, BTN-SM. Okay, so go with that. I want in this itself that a small BTN-SM. Save this. See, the button get a small. Clear? I want this red one, click me, button to be large. Okay, pass that BTN-LG. Let's save and let's see. We got that much due to inline. Do one thing. Let's break this. Okay, so it had increased that BTN. Clear? How we can get a button small and large? Anyone having any issue? Tell me. Now we want a button in the full block, full width. What will be the property? The class name is button block. Just you have to keep in mind something is there. With the help of that, we can get that. Okay. I'm not telling that you have to remember all the text, all the things. No, no need. But you have to keep in mind that something is there, some class, something is there who can do that one. Now, what you thinking? What it will do with the help of BTN block? Which button will be effective? Shivani, what are you thinking? Which button will be effective? And what will be the impact?
So,
Amol. Yeah.
the outline button.
Outline button. What it will do? With the help of button block. What is the meaning of block? Block level element. What is doing actually?
Okay,
It's
so
break the line.
Block level element breaking line means it acquiring full width. Correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So let's save and see what happened. Had it acquired full width?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So whenever you want a big screen, big button, okay, you can go with this button hyphen block. Clear? Don't ask button hyphen inline is also there or something, because already this is inline. Anyone having that dot also? Button inline.
No, sir.
Next,
Not.
if you want a button disabled and active, and one thing, yeah, Proj, you had shared navigation bar. In that, had you means added their active section? All was looking plain.
Yes.
Yeah, so please be serious. Otherwise, ask means Amardeep 2-hour interview. How was that? Just
1.5.
imagine the situation. Yeah, 1.5. You can imagine within 45 minutes what will happen to you. Okay, so please
Yes.
be ready for that. Because
Yes.
company giving package not free of cost. Okay, company giving package only if you have talent, and talent is not coming from market. Talent you have to develop, and it will grow slowly with the help of practice. Nothing is required for that. So don't worry
Yes.
whether I have knowledge or not. Everyone have knowledge. Okay,
Yes.
everyone is like a Hanuman. Somebody have to push that you have that you can do.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Now you getting all image, correct? Tomorrow don't ask me, okay? Now see. So what we will do now next, we going to add two type of button. One back button will be active, one will be normal, and one will be like a disable type. Let's comment this line of code. That will be fine. Yeah, fine. So let's, oh, already saved. Fine. So see here, we getting three type of button. One is active button. Who is on unmute? This is active button. Okay. And due to active button, it's look like a bold. This is disabled button. It's look like somewhat a gray color. Okay. Somewhat light opacity type. And this will be again disabled link. Okay. So what is the class? Button. See, for active, just you have to pass the active. And for disable, just you have to pass the disabled. That's it. Clear? Or anyone having issue? Tomorrow group discussion topic is live without phone.
Sir, are you using phone? That's why I'm giving.
I not
Currently,
not
are you
using phone.
Sir, she is not concentrating on class,
Yeah,
sir.
really.
He-
That's
he-
why
she-
I had
No, sir, I
I
am.
had
she is messaging
that's
me
why
also. I have Infosys
I
exam.
I have asked just now question. She had see I had verified all member. I asked before that Sweta Amol. Both had not I mean say replied. I will wait
Sir,
for
I
Saturday.
replied now.
Don't worry. See, once you got your name, you have to unmute suddenly. Okay. So how we can do that? Disable and enable with the help of active and disabled. That class name. Fine. Next. What I will do? What are the things we had taken? So this you can take anywhere. Okay. Do one thing. Take one input field. Let's see how it will look like. I had never checked these all things. So let's see. Placeholder and enter email ID. Fine. Let's save. Now I want to add this on thing. Oh, sorry. On think that here we will add BTN class itself and this will work. But let it to be. So see, due to BTN, it become completely bold. Means inside also it color got filled. Remove this all. I not want this thing. I want just active. That's it. So due to active, it coming something like that. Do one thing, write disabled and save. Is it looking something? Yeah, the color came somewhat a gray type. Okay. And when we passing active, the color will be something like light. Means just minor difference you getting here. But in this case, you getting those difference because here due to active coming complete bold dark means a dark blue, then light, and here also light. Clear? So this way we can use active. Then if you want somewhere like this type, when you getting some response from server, we will use this type of button. This will use everything we will use in the case of Angular actually. Okay. So please, that time I will ask from your side and you have to tell that response. So see, now we had written loading here. We had written loading here means the data is coming from the server and save. How attractive this look like. Okay, we had what you're thinking. This loading and these all things a spinner which is coming there. Is this GIF or something? It's not anything. It is just a class name. Okay, so what is the class name? See, first on the top we had taken the button. Means the class is BTN and whatever we want. BTN primary, BTN success, that thing. Clear this one. So we taken that on the top level, we had passed that one. Second, what we want this a spinner. That name itself is the spinner, technical side. So we taken the class, which is a spinner hyphen border. Okay, and a spinner border hyphen means a spinner hyphen border hyphen SM. SM become a small. Do one thing. Take this LG. What it will do? Let's see. Had it done anything? Yeah. So we got a large border, means a larger spinner. When you will do this, when you will use this one, suppose that when you registering form, means when you are doing a login or registration process, that time you are entering the data. It will take some time to going inside where server side. So that time you can use this one for showing purpose that data is loading. That's why in many websites they are adding this one. Got it? So wherever you want like this, you can do this. See, I showing you one thing. What you thinking? If I will pass with the here in the body itself, what it will do? Any idea? See what is happening. Okay.
It's looking very amazing, sir.
This is going to spin your complete website itself. If you will write any text, that will also rotate. Wait, let me comment.
Sir,
This
can you
complete
control the
section.
speed of spinning?
Don't ask. This is generator. Okay. This is free of cost. Means don't do more thing. Free means free. See,
Sir,
all the button came here.
how it look like generator, sir?
Something there, it's running. Okay. So this way we can, if you want somewhat attractive, you can do that. It's like a jhula. Okay.
ये कौन सा झूला है?
No, sir, it is a fan.
Whatever. And one thing, my doubt is that why it rotating in their corner itself? What is the reason? I want this thing in the middle. How it will come? Tell me, anyone.
Because these things we taken in body section. So from a started
Okay.
body.
Fine. I want this thing in the middle. How I can do? Tell me.
Then
Wait, I will go Shivani first. Let see the disadvantage of the mobile. Wait. Life without mobile. Tell me how we will move that section in the body, means center.
Sir, we use margin left in the class. No, say
Where?
line number 19.
Line
We
number
use,
19. Okay. What you
sir,
want?
sir, I have one doubt
we
also.
use margin left.
Sir, apart from
Margin
margin, if we are using text align center, then it will be work or not, sir?
I don't know. Maybe it have to work. Wait.
So try it, sir. After this, you have to try this. Text line center.
If this will be block level, then it will go. If not, then not. It not gone.
Okay.
See what we can do. Margin left. Do one thing. Why we going this much?
We can get
Go with
sir
margin direct.
in top.
Yeah, go with 50%. Oh my
And
God, where it
margin
gone?
top also 50%.
सर उल्टा नचा दिया.
Wait. It came, but it gone more. Go with margin hyphen left. 50%. It will came in the left side. Now add margin top.
Margin top
Margin
50%.
hyphen top. Go with 50. Wait. Okay. Go with 500 pixel. Save. It came somewhere more. So it came in the center. Got it? Yeah.
How long this CSS class will be go, sir?
Why? What happened? How long means? For today only or for per day?
No, sir. When this class will be completed CSS?
This is not CSS. Don't sleep. This is Bootstrap.
Bootstrap, sir.
Why? What happened? Let us stop this one first. Yeah. Who is this? Shweta.
Shweta.
Tell.
Can we fix the speed also, sir? That rotating.
Don't fix that. I removed that completely.
Yes.
I removed that. Okay. So next, what we will do here, we had taken a span with the help of a span. What was the process? The one class is a spinner hyphen border. Okay. And due to this, what you will get? We will get the border property. Fine. See, now whatever was there, it finished. No spinner is there. So main thing this one, and after that it giving you the what size you want. A spinner you want small, large, whatever, like that way. Next, you are showing their loading. How you doing that one? So we had taken the button, and inside button we had taken the what is the element? Block lever or inline? Span. It become inline, correct? So next inline, and after that we had written what is the text written there? Loading. Okay, remove this one and save. There will be no any difference in first and second, but second was showing that loading. Do one thing, wait for few second. Something I written. Now see, wait for something. Where you will use see, data is in PROGRESS progress. Okay, like this way we are using mostly. When we getting some data from the server side, means from the backend, that time you can display like this way. We will see this thing in Angular when data will come. Now maybe you can think that why we had written this not between this span. Okay, because we had written that outside span. So let's save and see where we getting. Had you seen the issue? That's why we had not written this thing with the span, because this is a spinner class where this is available with the span, and if you writing anything with a span, it will rotate. That's why we not writing this thing there, be writing this thing outside, means between the button, means whatever you had written here, that become the value for the button, as like click me or something we are passing, correct or not? So suppose up to here, up to this all, this completely, what is the thing? This will be a pair where on the button, because previously for this itself we was writing click me. Is this correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this thing now it is going to appear on the button, but I not want this one. I want something image. What you can do? You can take that image and you can pass that. Let's save. So see, you got the button over image. So this way we can do, but I not want a button. What I want the spinner. Okay, so there is another option, GIF. You can take a GIF image also, or otherwise you can take this spinner class also, and it will be available there. Anyone having any issue? Tell me. So see, now button and image both came, because I had kept that both code there. Now tell me, anyone having any issue? Now is this clear? So with the help of that, we can control the size with the help of like a BTN, primary, LG, whatever was the spinner, sorry. A spinner hyphen grow. Okay, this is 1, 2, and 3. This 3 is same type, but this loading one, how that is coming? Let's see. Last one.
YouTube Pro.
Whenever you getting something like a spinner, okay, so in that case you have to write a spinner means a spinning, okay, but when you will get some situation like a grow, like this type, means some data is coming populating, so in that case we not taking a spinner, we taking this grow class, a spinner hyphen grow, okay, and class will be same type, spinner hyphen grow hyphen sm. So let's just see and do this in the case of our body, what it will do. Just see. See what is happening. Whatever we had passed there, it looking that something is coming. Okay. It look like in Ramayan fighting was going there, Ram and Ravan. It look like that type. Something is coming. Okay. With the help of Bootstrap, we can do many things. Now, so in the case of button, anyone having any issue in button? Clear?
No issue, sir.
Because see, these all things actually. Just give me 1 minute.
Praful,
हाँ समीर हेलो
yes.
हाँ समीर
How are you, Praful?
फाइन ब्रो
Why?
फाइन
1 मिनट मतलब मौका मिलता नहीं है कि बस मछली बाजार बेचना चालू. Next. So in this button, anyone having issue? Okay. No response means no issue. So next.
Sir, sir,
Now
sir,
what we had.
one question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, after clicking on submit, then it will appear, no, sir. So this will be helpful in Bootstrap, or one will use JavaScript, then it will be used.
Both case we can.
So
Means
now,
like now
it says
suppose
loading,
that
sir. I have clicked submit, then that the same button will be do like this.
it will, yeah, it will be there. But see what is happening actually. I showing you one thing.
Sir, how it would be same button? Once you click, then page will be redirect.
It's
that
use
in-
and getting it.
in-
The
See.
use.
You will get these things.
Wait. I showing you one thing. SUBMIT. What are you getting from this word submit? Means we are submitting some data. Suppose
Yes.
that we had taken this data, means this one with some form. Wait, let me do one thing. Where is this div? Okay, this div is on the top level. Div class container. What is coming this one? CONTAINER container. Fine. Go with form. Take one div. Okay. Then what was the tag for here? Legend or something was there, correct? What was that? Field set. Field set or legend?
Field set inside
Sir.
inside field set legend you have to use.
Legend.
Okay. Got it.
Inside you are use legend.
Legend.
Where is the value? Okay, I not taken any input, then how it will come? Now take here LABEL label email ID. And
Sir, field set is not working, sir.
yeah, that not worked.
If you give field set, then it will be give thin border.
Yeah, that have to come. I don't know why it not come.
Why it's not coming?
For me also today it was not coming. I tried, but no,
When? Bootstrap.
So today in that logging form and registration form we have submitted now. In that also I
Yeah.
used field set. It was not, water was not coming.
Yeah, sometime in Bootstrap it will not working actually. See, it will work. Comment this line. It work now.
So what logic behind in Bootstrap it is
Sir,
not?
I had tried. I had done this thing. That's right.
Sir, I try this, sir. Drop down, not show is properly done code, but not show in Bootstrap
See,
issue.
that is the thing. Means whatever you're writing, you have to take care whether it's working in that or not. Okay, let it to be.
So
In,
finally,
in Bootstrap, one more style is there for getting this one, like field set type itself. But some version have that bugs. That is the thing. Style, text, align, CENT, center. Let's say. Samsad, see, this you was asking how we can get this registration form in the center. So this way we can get that. Do this color. Text color will be. How we can get border color? No idea. I think background color will work. Okay, it will not come there. It will give it that itself only. Okay, let it to be. So with the help of that, we can get that in the center. Now go with our Bootstrap. No need of field set. What I want, that is the thing. Okay, this field set gone. It clear. Yeah. So see, Amardeep. Now suppose that you are entering data. Clear?
Sir,
You are entering
firstly,
something.
in place of loading, it will be submit button first. After clicking
Yeah.
on submit, then only it will be loading.
Yeah, correct. I am agree. How I can? Yeah, it's fine.
And that's a spinner also. It should not be there.
Then where you want a spinner? First
Sir,
will be text and
see,
second will be a spinner.
sir, after clicking on submit, then only that spinner will come, na sir.
Now see the sense. Both is that's fine. But see, now it's loading. Okay, it is designed. When you entering some data there, fine. And after that, it's looking that when you clicking on this one, okay, is this a disable type? A spinner border. Oh, it's a disable. That's why it's not giving clickable. Yeah, now it's. Yeah, see. So now it's look like that a spinning is going on. Okay. Suppose you had entered some data. Now what you will do? You will submit. Once you submitted, it will show that something is going on. Got it? Something
Yeah, sir.
concept behind that.
I'm telling that only, sir. See,
Yeah.
when we open
So
any
see,
form, there is only submit it in the button. When we click on the button, then this action happens.
that's fine.
I already got it. What you was trying to say.
Yeah. So see, I telling one thing. Previously means when you will come with the logical part, suppose that in Angular, then we can write that code and we can hide this one.
Sir, that
This
only
spinner.
sir, after
Yeah.
clicking, then this transition will happen. On
Yeah,
the same.
we can
on the
hide
same
this one, and now it get hidden. And
Yeah.
once the means user had pressed that button, the spinner will
then-
be came, and
Yeah.
this text will be hide. You
And
can do
loading
like this. Okay, and you can change that text also. Means now submit is there, and when this spinner came, you can show
Right,
that
it will-
something like a loading.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that only
Like a
I was
process.
asking.
Yeah. So those things we can do with logical, means in Angular case. But
Yeah.
now we are just designing, because now we have to know that some classes is like that. With the help of that, we can get some design. Okay.
Sir, you can use like position absolute and block none, that and
Regarding
this
for
type of
whom?
For which
For
work we
whom?
are going
for
to use
sir
position?
this button, sir.
For
When
button and a
will
spinner.
active, when will button active, then
Yeah.
none whatever pass in this button, sir, it's going. So
Wait one second. But for what purpose you telling display none?
sir, because
Hiding
I want to
purpose.
hiding the yeah, sir, hiding this button and showing only
Okay.
submit.
Got it. See, what we are doing mostly means when you, if you working just normal UI designer, okay, you will think like this way that a design will be. But when you working with that means like some language like Java, Python, any language, these all process, whatever it's showing now, okay, this loading of the button, these all thing, it will not do from the HTML code. Okay, these all thing will be done with the help
JavaScript.
of server side. Means once you getting the backend response means when you entering data, the server will give you response. That time you have to enable this thing. By default, it will be disabled. When we will learn JavaScript and Angular, that time you will see these all things. These are just basic. Once we will go in the Angular side, these all are basic concept. We will do more and more comparing to this thing. Okay. With the help of server side, just a 2 line of code, just only 1 line of code we will write here. That's it. A star ng if equal to, that's it. It will hide that value. So or hide like this. If we return this, means it will hide or show just with the help of Angular. That's it. Okay. It's not much more. Got it. So with the help of there we can.
वो दिन दूर नहीं
Clear.
है वाले.
Don't worry. First, that's why I forcing all, prepare all HTML, and then we will move in that. But everybody is sleeping, and somebody want the image first, then he will.
Approach.
He is making always. I don't know from where he getting this much excuses. Approach. You have any books for this excuse? Please share that book to everyone. They will study also.
We have a diary, sir.
Diary for excuse.
He bought for
Yes.
me, sir. The sir bought for me.
That I thinking.
What you thinking, sir?
He have some diary method of excuse 100 times, like that type of something.
Sir,
That
तो
type of
after,
you thinking he is already written. What type of you think?
sir, after all, he is your chela na.
He also thinking like me. Okay, so now what is the thing we going to do? We going to group the button together. Okay, I will not explain much more in this concept. So see, previously we can take single button. Apple, as like you can think a drop down. Previously we had taken that. Drop down means nearby many things will be there. Now one button is Apple, one is Samsung, and one is Sony. Okay, these all are 3 brand. So how you can do? First we have to take one div, and inside button class will be name is like a button group. Fine. So with the help of button group, you going to button grouping the button together, and inside that's normal button class. Clear? This button just now we had seen the button, say the class name btn and hyper whatever color you want. But who is the main role? Button group. This is the main thing. Clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
What about others? Sweta,
Sir, by this,
clear?
sir, by this we can make navigation bar also.
Yeah, but for that it
Yes,
is
sir.
means a different thing. For that a different thing we will use.
So it will
Don't
be
use
more
navigation.
easiest way to create so it will be the most easiest way to create the navigation bar.
I know that, but don't use this one. Okay, next. Suppose if you want a small or large, as like in previous case, we was taking LG or SM, same type, button group, another class. Means parent class is btn hyphen group. Somebody sleeping
No, sir.
here. Next class will be button hyphen group LG. LG will give you large button. So see, and if you will take SM, it will give you a small button. So this way we can take a different. Clear or not? If you want a different color of button, how I can take? Can anyone tell me? I want this all three button different color. How I can?
Okay, just go for sir button success. Button
Okay,
slash
fine.
success.
Now silent. Amol, I want
sir.
apple should be red color. Apple is never in blue color. Okay.
Yes, sir. Remove the primary and take a color. Danger, sir.
Fine. DANGER, danger. Sweta, what about the last? I want something different. Sony.
Success. Hello.
Mhm. Where that will be success?
In primary. Remove primary
Okay.
and add success.
Okay. Now see. We got the different color. Clear? How be done? So who is the main role playing here for getting different means grouping that button together? BTN group. Let's comment this and just see. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, second thing, if you want the button not in the horizontal, left to right, you want in the button in the vertical direction, where you will pass? Where you will pass the property? On the parent itself? The property name is, yeah. So property name is the button group and that is vertical. As like LG, SM, where we was passing that? First itself. Clear?
Remove LG.
No issue. We'll pass there itself. We will get a button large and vertical. Means all class will be applied. Clear? Now remove this LG. Means the completely property itself. Now what you thinking? Normal button, vertical. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we can take more and more property. It's not an issue. So this way we can. Next,
Sir.
button vertical.
Sir.
Yeah.
One BTN slash group remove, sir. And
BTN slash group, this one. Fine.
second one, sir.
But the second one having LG.
Sir, iPhone is there. Just button iPhone group, just that remove, sir.
Button hyphen group, first one. First one you
Sir,
telling.
Yeah, no, sir.
Second one.
In second one, yeah, sir.
Okay.
Just
Got
that
it.
much remove.
Okay. You
And
telling
add
LG.
iPhone. Yeah, sir.
Like this way you
Yeah,
telling.
iPhone. Yeah, sir.
Okay. Then it was same first one. See, what is the difference? With the help of that BTN group LG, you got that big button. But some property removed due to button LG is not appearing there. Take this one, then you will realize the difference. Now save. Had you realized something? Some space this side and some alignment. Clear or not? Okay, now after this. See, this all came in the proper one alignment, single alignment. But when you're removing this one, when you adding that one, then somewhat a space will be, you will get a hair like something inside margin type. Save. Had you seen? See the alignment of this one. This gone inside. Clear? That is the difference actually. Means see, if you want not like this, you can remove this. It will work. If you thinking that you want this type of button, you can do that. It's not compulsory. But suppose BTN and BTN hyphen dark LG, that time property will be there. Okay. Next, if you want a drop down with a button, you can go with this. See, the drop down is available there. Okay. So how this came? Now see, we taken BTN group. Clear? then we had taken one button and then two button. Okay, and after this two button, again we started one more group, because this drop down, this is look like again vertical type of grouping. It look like that or not? So we started one more grouping. What is that? From there button we started, but that something different we had taken here. Yesterday we had seen some data dash means a data dismiss some property we had seen in the case of alert. Okay, so something different property is again it will come here. Just wait, let me comment. So see here. Yeah. So first on the top level, what is there? On the top level, BTN group is there. Okay. And we had taken one button, two button, and this is third one. Okay. So take this, see. One Apple, then Samsung, but Sony is not available there. Okay. Let it to be. For Sony, we started one another div. Let's comment this and save. We got a two button. Now we want the third one and having drop down. So third one drop down. Okay, let comment this line. So here we had done single button with a drop down. Now see the drop down is there. Clear? So what we had done, we again taken one button group. Okay, and inside button group, we had taken one button. Don't worry regarding this design complex or this that complexity. Just focus on the class name. That's it. So here we had taken one class button group again, and inside we had pass whatever we want. So first we want button. This design should be button. That's why we taken here button. Okay, and why we taken button group? Because we want somewhat drop down inside. For this purpose we had taken that, and inside we started that button group. But here see, in this button group we taken something extra. What is there? BTN and BTN hyphen primary, that is color name. Fine. We want a drop down symbol. That symbol is there. That one. So what is written there? A drop down hyphen toggle. Remove this. Now see. Drop down finish. Now what are you thinking? When we click on this, drop down is coming. But where is the icon? Previously the icon was there. It looked like a drop down. Now if you will uncomment this both line, are you realizing that it will look like a drop down? Can you imagine that this is drop down?
No,
But
sir.
see,
It's look like
when
just
we
a simple.
clicking, yeah, it look like simple, but when we clicking, button is coming. So it means a drop down section is coming. So we have to show that this is a drop down. So how we are doing? We are doing with the help of a drop down hyphen toggle. Okay, and save. Now see, with the help of drop down toggle, we got that symbol. Next is, yeah, we have started another div section, and in this div we had passed a different anchor tag, which is a drop down hyphen item. Please mute. Who is? Then here we had passed something drop down menu. Menu in the sense whatever menu you want inside in the drop down. And next whatever things we had passed as like anchor tag we had given, but there we had given class that is a drop down item. Okay,
Sir,
I think, yeah.
sir,
Just 1 second.
how the drop down is getting connected? I want to know that.
Yeah, that is the thing. Data hyphen toggle. We will come on that. Just give me 1 second. How we will make a drop down in HTML? Can anyone tell me? I know due to this drop down menu, then item getting confusing. Okay, tell me how we can make that a drop down in HTML.
Okay, sir. First you take section. Inside div you have to take section.
Okay. Section.
After that you have to press option. Option.
Next.
Yes, in option whatever you want to give that value, that give value.
Okay, let it to be, not an issue. Next. Shivani, tell how we will make a drop down in HTML. You had done deep understanding, deep study. Both Shivani thinking, she will tell, she thinking, she
Yes.
will tell. But both are in confusing. Yeah, tell me.
We take drop down content.
I thinking that na Shivani Sinha sure fighting with Shivani Kumari. Because I telling Shivani, but the other is thinking she will tell. That's why. Yeah, tell me. Inside what I will pass? Amol, Shivani Kumari. I know, I understand that.
Sir,
Shivani,
I
don't
am
worry.
using. I
Amol, Sweta, Shivani Kumari, fast,
drop down content.
drop down
Sir,
content.
first drop down means there are using button
Like that.
can
Wait.
first.
Relative.
1 second. I think everybody is sleeping.
Sir,
What I
you
told?
asked question in HTML.
Yeah, that I telling. I want normal HTML. How you writing in HTML? How be taking in drop down in HTML? That is my question, not in Bootstrap and CSS. Got it?
Yes.
Tell me. Sweta, Amol, anyone?
Drop.
Any idea?
Yes, sir, drop.
Yeah, sir. Detail lists, data lists, sir. I think.
Data list.
Data pack, 2 GB data pack.
What is data list?
Wait, Samir.
Sir, inside the
Samir, let
data
it go.
list, we put a option, sir.
Okay, fine. So
Like
see,
that.
Sweta, what you telling? Inside option, what we have to pass? Prapul,
Drop down.
you telling drop down. Got it. You getting suggestion something? Where is the suggestion drop down? Means your Prapul, Roshan. This is the practice of HTML.
Sir,
value
Sir, all are telling that I completed.
1 second. Samir, 1 second. Yeah, Roshan, what you telling? Value.
value sir value no sir
Had you
option
got suggestion?
no, sir.
If you not got suggestion, means your some mistake is there. Roshan, Prapul, tell me.
sir,
Value, sir,
firstly,
selection tag
Selection. Is this? That is wrong.
no
Next, Prapul, you can.
sir,
Tell me.
CSS can be any navigation bar using contact us, and there are using li section.
For full,
But
there
sir,
is nothing in HTML.
You giving answer like a mole. One day he had given, what was that? 70. Yeah. He had given, but he itself don't know what he had told. And now you telling same thing. It's like 3 idiot.
कहना क्या चाह रहे हो?
It's like that. He also giving.
Sir, can I?
Yeah.
Sir, in place of section, it should be select.
Yeah, that is the thing.
And inside that,
SELEC. Inside that option will be.
yeah.
So see what it came. Oh my God. That language converter. Why this coming? Always and always. Came item 1 and item 2, whatever is there. And where is our Dharmender? What did I telling?
Yeah, sir. Detail list. Data
you
list,
got it?
sir.
Praful? Okay. Praful,
Yes,
remaining
yes,
all.
sir.
Had you got?
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Data list
Because
also work like that, sir. That's why.
option can be used this.
Okay. So this way, Sweta, had you got? Amol. So this
Yes,
Yes,
way
sir.
we
sir.
can create our drop down. Fine. Now see, in which case we was taking items. Somewhere we was taking item also, I think. I forget that. R-E-M. In some case we was taking this. Okay, let it go. So what we were doing here previously, say select, and inside we was passing options. Okay, same thing. In the case of this drop down, bootstrap drop down, what we are going to do, we have taken first one section, means a complete div, and inside that we passed the button. Button it going to give the name, and inside button we had passed the class. Okay, and with the help of this class, drop down hyphen toggle, this giving the icon. Clear? Next, whatever you want inside the drop down, this all we had passed with the help of anchor tag. Clear? And that is considered as class like drop down hyphen item. And this main, okay, who going to wrap these all? This is known as class drop down hyphen menu. Clear up to this? Anyone or dot still in this section? One thing is pending that I'm going to tell, but up to this clear or not? So what we do, we taking drop down hyphen menu and drop down hyphen item. These two things we had taken. Means on the parent we taken drop down hyphen menu, and inside we taken class as a drop down hyphen item. Clear? Or anyone having doubt? Tell me first.
Sir, clear, sir.
Oh my God, this much silent. I think everybody slept.
No, sir.
I know that girls hostel, sure.
I know in which area you are going to indication.
Now see, I'm not going to target anybody particular, okay? So don't tell me. Okay. So next is the thing. How we gone to how this button understand that this menu have to open. Okay. That is the thing. Data hyphen toggle. In Bootstrap, maximum time you will got this one. Data hyphen toggle. Okay. So cut this one. Let's see. Let's save and let's see whether it's working. I don't know. See, it's not worked. Okay. Now we are clicking, but it's not coming. But see, all data is there. Clear? But then also it's not opening that because the word with the help of a name itself, you can get this. Data hyphen toggle means it's going to toggle between the data. And which data? Drop down. And where is this name? Drop down in our section. See this first one, drop down hyphen menu. Next is a drop down hyphen item. So means combinedly you can think like this way it going to toggle, means it going to relate, make relationship between this drop down item, whatever values are there, and between this section, this button. Clear or not? Clear? So here if you going rename anything, just see, I had done drop down, say I had added S, just see, now it's not working. Clear? So you not have to change this data hyphen toggle name, because with the help of this drop down and this drop down hyphen menu, that it means that text, due to that it making relation between that one. But if you want some color or this that you can add, that's not an issue. So see, I want something like a text color. What I can do? Text hyphen danger, danger. Let's see whether it working. It worked. See, text color become the red. I want something background color. Pass that bg hyphen succes. What are you thinking? Whether it will come or not? What happened? It not came. Some mistake. BG-SCO. Yeah, it came. So this way we can make that design. Clear? Any issue? I'm not thinking any issue. So next, a split button drop down means what was the previously? See, button was coming here. Fine. In this case, it going to a split. A split. What is that? That is just separate. It looking something here. That is the thing. So which class is this one? Then button group already for the grouping purpose, main class. Then this is fine. There is nothing in this case. But in this case, up to toggle, it with the help of this drop down hyphen toggle, it going to make that toggling.
And after that,
Yes.
drop down
Yeah.
toggle split.
We taken this as split class and remaining all are same. Okay. Next, vertical button group with a drop down. Now drop down is there, but vertical. What you will do? Which was the vertical class? Button group vertical. Correct. Button
Yes,
hyphen group hyphen vertical. That's it. So
in
see,
the parent section we can pass.
wherever you want vertical, go with just this one. Button hyphen group vertical. You will get that alignment vertically. Okay. Next, button groups side by side means 1, 2, 3 button nearby, and after this another button. What we had taken? Button group and this also button group, and copy pasted the two code. That's it. But see, maybe you will think that we had copy pasted, then it came. But what is that div? Block label or inline?
Div
is that?
inline, sir. Inline.
Div? Who telling
Block level, sir.
div is inline?
Block
Samir,
level.
sir, Samir.
No, sir. I'm watching that output. That's what I'm telling, sir. That Apple, Samsung in two parts. That's what I'm telling.
But see, the div is inline. Sorry, div is block level element, not inline. It came in the nearby, correct?
Yes.
But there is some issue. That's why it came nearby. Means there was some reason. Otherwise, it have to break into new line.
Otherwise, he's ready to break the line.
Today, somebody had asked that it not breaking into new line. I told add 2 time BR tag. Why it will not break? See, with the help of this button group, actually it came nearby. Just remove this button group and remove here also button group, and let's see what it's going to do. Had you seen? This is block level element. Div is block level, and due to that it came like this. Clear? So when you passing two BTN group, both will come in line. Clear? Anyone having any issue in the button? Tell me. Next, this is too interesting thing. I will go up to progress bar fast. You will get more and more idea. Had you seen navigation bar? See this section itself, this website and this new tag. How you will get this? With the help of this one. New is there. Badges. Okay. The topic name is badges. But you can spell that badges or badge.
Sir, whatever it is, our English is not better.
That's why I telling. But BADGES badges. A to mine. A4. Okay. In Bootstrap, actually, you will see that there are too much interesting things are there.
Such as?
Just to see a spinner itself.
Other?
Progress bar is there, notification
Sir,
bar is there,
Sir,
everything.
for MarkU, is there any option in Bootstrap?
MarkU.
Yes, sir. That breaking news one.
No, but that is not in that. You can go with HTML tag itself. So see, if you have to make badges like this, means some badges are there. So you can make this directly. But mails are coming this time.
Sir, this badges I seen while registration going on that time, these things means any new update will come. That section we have to
Yeah.
change this.
So see, means you can add this text. It's look like that button, okay? But you can, means something is there. You can write like this way. Do one thing. Don't put this much. And see, I showing one thing. Wait. Then we will remove this one. See here. This is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. It's going to decreases, okay? And inside this, we had passed some text. And after that, we passed some span. And inside a span, we had written that one. Whatever text you want, let it to be. But what is the class name? Class name is badge. And next, whatever color you want. Badges hyphen primary, secondary, whatever is there. Now take this. Now take only one value. Remove this. UPCOMING upcoming batches. Now save upcoming batches. Okay. And suppose that SU double CE double S success SOON soon. Like this way we can add, correct? So whatever text you want to highlight, you can make that one. So how we are doing that? So for that particular means this should be in the badges class, okay? And remaining should be outside. So see this. Remaining we had pass means this we had passed outside. Whatever you want to highlight look like somewhat a special type, you can go with that particular in the span. Why we had gone with a span? Why not any other tag? Tell me. Why not with any other tag? Why we will go with the span one?
Means we are going to give effect any particular things.
Because
Particular
inline
tag.
element, sir.
Sir, inline bro.
Correct. So that is inline. Let's remove this. Give p tag. Fine. Let's see. Where is that? That is there. Div. Oh my God. That class itself making that inline. Okay. This also making that inline. But we mostly follow up the span itself. We will not go with any other. Fine. Next. Approach. English बोल रहे हो. Next. Contextual badges. Okay. If you want something pencil type, like this type of design, what you can do? You can take badges and the color name. Yeah. Remove this H1 because due to H1 you getting this much big. Okay. I not want this. Remove this completely. H1 and here also. Wait. And fine. Let's save. So where is that? That much only. So it will look like a pencil type. Shivani, are you sleeping?
No, sir.
For these all guys, that's a good actually. At least up to 12 o'clock, you can guard. You can work as a guard. Amardeep, that's correct or not?
I thinking 9 o'clock is not good time, sir. Literally, I'm thinking, sir. It would be better at 8 o'clock. It would be better at 30.
But this is better, really.
हाँ, 2 नींद लेके उसके बाद पढ़ाई कर रहा है लो।
See, now we had passed something different, and now whatever. Now, what is the means? How you can increase the length? How you can increase the length of that one? Length, width, whatever we want. How we can? Can
We
anyone
pass-
tell me?
Yeah, we can pass over height width.
Okay, Shivani, tell me how we can increase. I
So
want
both
to
are-
increase Shivani Sinha. Okay, let's
Ah,
Shivani
yes.
Kumari. Tell me how I will increase the length. Can we pass a style?
Sir, why we are go for a style if you are
Yes, sir.
And can we write here
Width.
length? Oh, width. Okay. I thought a length is there. Width. Then we can take a 50 pixel save. Okay. It given to a small. Go 500. Where is that? So we got this one. Okay. So this way we can pass that one. Correct.
sir,
So-
one more thing.
Yeah.
Here width and height, it will be worked without a style also, no, sir?
Why? How?
Um,
Is this image?
no,
Image
no.
have only the property height and width by default it will take. Correct. Image
And
have that attribute.
And what about in button?
No, it will not work. You have to take a style.
Okay.
Only image have that property, means attribute height and width by default. Now see what is difference you getting in this case. It's look like means the side, both side is not corner type. So with the help of this one pills, okay, it will come like a pills, a tablet. Okay, so how you can make this with the help of the class badge pills. Okay, so pass this one where here
So
badge. Yeah.
instead of border radius, we are going to give this class.
Correct. So no need to pass the border radius, and with border radius we can, without that we can make that pills type. This is known as pills type. Clear? If you want this type, now it came notification message. If you have to show something like this, how you can make with the help of this one. So take this complete. See, these all will be useful in the real project that I will tell you. Means if you making any real website, suppose you are using Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, anything. Some notification you have to show here, notification bar, that you have 3 message notification. That time you can use this one. Notification, notification. Yeah. So 4 notification you have like this way. So how we have, what we had taken? We had taken button. It look like button. So taken button, okay? And type equal to button, whatever the class, BTN primary. Clear? Next, come for that. We return the text whatever we want. Then span be taken the badge and badge hyphen light. Okay. Due to light, it given the white color. Remove this light and take danger. And let's see what it. So we got like this way. Clear or not? How we can means you getting some idea that something is there. With the help of that, we can make notification type. What is available? Search in that Google, means a W3 school, you will get all things. But now we are getting aware that how we can use that. That is the thing. Now, where you getting notification always? Which side? We not getting this side. Always on the top corner side, right side. Correct. How we can make that in the right side? Move this right side.
Float right.
Float right we can. Okay. So go with that. So that property that Bootstrap have float and right. Oh, I don't know whether it will work or
Try it.
that's
FR is giving.
Yeah, sir. Have sir. Float right.
not working. Something different property than it have. Float, yeah, float is there directly. Float LG, float left, MD, float right. Yeah. Fine. Oh, that badges are going to be float right. Okay, wait. I will pass this position directly with the class. Float left FLO float, yeah. Not right.
Can I also get margin top, right top?
Yeah, whatever you want, you can.
Yeah.
Okay, so here be taken, if you want margin, right here itself, margin top, how much you want, take 5, margin top 5 be taken, it came down, correct. I not want this, I want margin, but not top, I want all direction, just give m-5 and say, we got this one. Clear?
Sir, one more thing.
Sir.
Here itself
Yeah.
margin up to 5. If
Yeah.
once we are go for 10, then we'll go for
It will not
right
work.
separate. How
No,
it will?
that will not. That will
Yeah,
not. Then you can go with CSS in that case.
Okay.
Sir,
Whatever extra, yeah.
you pass margin in sir span. What happened?
Where a span? It will
Yeah,
give
yeah.
you this thing. Means say this will be passed. Okay, let it to be m-5.
Bottom.
See internal space. Okay. Because you had passed inside this one, this 4.
Yeah, yeah.
Because see, we passed with this one.
Margin
Notification is
bottom,
outside.
sir.
Like padding, sir. We are getting value like padding.
Margin bottom. See, you will get bottom side.
Oh,
Clear?
okay.
Clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
I want a number 4 number in top
Badges.
side of notification, sir.
Means you
Means
want to effect in
where-
badges.
1 second.
Corner
Okay, let it
and
be. Give that. Where you want this number? It came here. Otherwise, if
like
you
a
not want,
superscript, sir.
okay, superscript type. Okay, 1 second. Then you can use the superscript itself and pass their class badges also. I don't know
Yeah,
what
sir.
was that tag for that.
SUB.
I think SUB.
PB.
Class badge SUP or what?
SUP, sir. PP.
I
SUP
taken P
tag, sir.
itself. Yeah, I taken SUP.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know whether it's looking like there or not. Because we taken a margin bottom. Remove this. No, I think class name something. SUB. Yeah.
Subscript, sir. It's not a class.
Okay, no problem. You can search there, you will get that. In the first class itself, I think first or second class having that super or subscript. We can get that. Okay. Next. Okay. So we can get with the help of this, we can make notification bar. But notification bar, see, always it coming with the bell icon. Okay. So you will pass this like notification image. So you have to make this with the help of this one, this type. See here, the real time. That this one will be on the corner, means on the top, and bell icon you will add. Now we are making this button icon and this 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, you have to make like this way. Okay. Tomorrow just try to make notification bar when you will create this topic, this type, this bell icon type. Okay. You can use the position property of the CSS. Then you will get. Clear up to here, or anyone having any issue? Now
No, sir.
came when you uploading data. Okay. Now where is the use of this one? Had you uploaded resume or anything anywhere in the real time?
Yes, sir.
When you will upload data, okay, that time you will get this thing, progress bar. And see, how you can create that progress bar. So just look over the class first. So class name itself is the progress. Okay, so on the parent you have to start the progress, and inside that you have to start progress bar. The class name is progress bar. Okay, and here you have to pass a style width 70%, 80, whatever you want. You have to pass width. Now we will look over that. What is the need of width there? So see, this came your progress bar. Clear? See the color. This you getting that blue color, that is due to 70%. Give this 10%. Let's see. It will get 10% uploaded. Means 10% got fail. What are you thinking when the 100%? See that it become complete blue. Clear? This way we can add the progress bar. Add empty. Sorry. Yeah, okay. Empty -5. Yeah. Now wait. Don't add empty hyphen. Let's say M. Yeah. So we got this one. I want different color. How we can do? Can tell me someone? What color we can pass?
Sir,
Something,
progress,
whatever. That's it. Correct or not? That's not an issue. Yeah. Tell me.
progress, danger, success.
Progress. Here
Sir,
it came progress bar. It came progress bar hyphen danger. Let's see whether it working. It not worked. So just wait. Just remove this one. After that we will look. So progress bar hyphen danger it not came. Do
Sir,
one thing.
BG danger.
Go with BG danger. Let's see. It came. Clear. So this way we can pass that. Let us see what is the real code for that actually. So we can increase the height and width the height. So as like previously we were taking, but here what we had taken on the main parent class, we had taken height, which is height 20%. Let's save this, take this one. Means here whatever we are doing, mostly we are doing with the help of CSS itself. So take this 50 and save. What happened? The progress bar increased. Fine. So what is the benefit of this one? Inside height.
I think increase the height, sir.
Which side height it will increase?
Top to bottom, sir.
Pixel. So see, it had increased this one, this outer. Means whatever bits we had taken 100% data gone. Oh, okay, Sweta. Just 2 minutes. This progress bar. If you have 2%, then you can manage somewhat. I have 10% bits. So with the help of bits, the 10%, we can increase and decrease this area. Okay, but remove this. Sorry, height 25 pixel. Then we had to get this red color. Remove this 20 pixel, and then your height 50 pixel will work. Now save. Got it? That 50 pixel. And what is where is the error? Oh, this is the error. Double quote. Now save. What happened? From where this thing coming? Okay. So this came. Clear? So this way we can pass the value and we can increase height and width. Now we want a label also. That 70% data is there. So I want 70%. Means we had uploaded 70% of file. So this is 10%. We can write 10%. Means between div we can write, and that will appear in that section. Okay. So if you're writing here, suppose 50%, where it will go? It will write there, but we want the color also accordingly. Correct? 50. So now see the text automatic getting in that section. It's 50%. So we can increase and decrease this value. This thing actually, when you're working with the database and those things, so according to server response, you will get this value. Means you're not passing anything here. Okay. Means you passing any variable here or whatever values, and with that value, you will get that. Means whatever variable we had passed, with that variable, you will get that value from the server side. Then accordingly, it's showing that some data are filling. Okay. Because when you will work with the data side, means the server side, you will not hard code this value. When you uploading file 10%, 20%, then the value is increasing and same type color is also filling. Correct or not? So that type. So we want different color. We was adding that BG success, primary, like that we can do background color. Now stripped progress bar. You want this type, that something rotating type. The name itself is progress bar and hyphen stripped. Okay, so we will pass this thing. Already we had taken, means on the parent, what is that? That is progress. And inside that be taking progress bar and be taken progress, means sorry, BG hyphen danger. And then next for stripped, already what we had told, progress bar and hyphen stripped. Then see, you will get stripped type. Clear? So who is doing this? With the help of this stripped. Now just tell me, if you have to make this design with CSS, how can you do? Is this easy?
Using image, sir.
No,
With
sir.
image, but is it easy? Who telling no? Approach.
So, means what you trying to say? Once image section will come, that will be approach alarm.
No. Means see, it's not easy. It's too much complicated. We can do that. It's not that it will not possible. It will possible, but it will be too much issue. Means complicated.
We can use gradients, linear gradient.
Yeah, but with the help of linear gradient, you can change color only. You can't fill this color dynamically. Means it will be complicated.
Yes, sir. There is
Means,
option, sir, right to left, mixing two colors.
yeah, that's we can do. But like this type of a strip, see that a strip, how much you will do the designing? You can imagine.
Yeah.
That is the thing. Linear gradient, it will work with the help of linear gradient. We can do that. Okay. Where is that? Okay. Yes, so right now. Progress bar stripped.
Sir, we can check the CSS now. What CSS that Bootstrap applies by using this class name.
Yeah.
So we will get an idea, sir, of how they have implemented.
That's correct. You are too genius. And you will copyright all the things. And you can make that your own bootstrap. We can do that. Really. 1 second. Why this is not working? See, you know where you will get the CSS? Amardeep? Any
Sir,
idea?
you showed us, sir, in last class.
Yeah. Where?
That one link, here it is link, sir, HRF link you have given.
Yeah, this link.
Sir, I have downloaded the pura full Bootstrap 4 I have downloaded and pushed in the student's
Server.
work.
I had seen that. Already when I got your code, I seen that. Then it looked like that you had downloaded that complete file itself. That is good. When you have not net, means a proper net, not means internet issue is there. Why this is working here? This is not working in my case. In this type of file, actually, jQuery and those will affect. Yeah, now it's worked. Control X. Fine. Yeah. So with the help of this, what it going to do? See, it looking like a animating. Correct? MT-5. Yeah. So now it's a stripped is there, a stripped bar is there, but it is animating. So how we can do the same thing? We will take for the stripped, we had taken progress bar stripped, correct? With the help of progress bar stripped, we will get the stripped type. And for the animated, we will get progress bar hyphen animated. Clear? So with the help of just animated tag, and whatever percentage you want the filling of color, you can pass that. And if you want something here like 40%, you can pass that value also. You will get that value. Now tell me, I want this big, means height should be more. How I can get? Means somewhat more thick. Now it's look like a slim body, thin. I want
Yeah,
somewhat
pass
in
height, sir.
height. Pass that
Style.
HEIG height and take 50 pixel and save. Where is girls department? There nobody just speaking.
They are busy with meetings, sir.
Oh, really? Don't disturb. Shivani. Oh, I think your mic is working.
Yes, sir.
Or you had thrown your mic outside. Okay. So we passed here height 20.
Pass another
200.
tip, sir.
No. Here we have to pass actually.
Yeah.
This height
Progress.
on the parent because it's not affecting the second one. Right. Shivani, are you getting what we are discussing? Or just you are taking rest? Your voice is coming very low.
Sir, pass
No,
in
sir.
bottom, sir. Second dip,
Yeah.
sir. Sir, in
Oh,
second.
sorry. Yeah, I done mistake. This should be in the second div with progress. Yeah. So this way
Yeah.
we can increase the height. Okay, and whatever text you will pass, that will appear there. So this is known as animated progress bar. So see, these all things we will use in case of bootstrap. Okay. Now see, when you're filling data, it's showing that your space, free space something, then barring something, then danger something, means three color we had passed. How we had done the three color? Progress bar is there on the top parent class, and inside one div is there which have same thing, progress bar bg hyphen success, and but we passed style. A style is 40%. Okay, again we had taken one div, clear, and here we had passed progress bar, then barring, then style we had taken how much you want that color. Okay, 10%. Then we had taken one more div, that is color is 20%. What you getting actually in this case? Had you observed one thing? Here they have taken div, clear? And div is the block level element, clear or not? But then also it's not coming like block level element. Now see, it coming together means it have to come block level, but it's not coming like that. Due to whatever class they had used, it going to be work like that way. MT hyphen 20 is also there. Is this working? I don't know. This not worked. Let's 5. Yeah, it worked 5. So this way we can use. Okay, I want that last. Yeah, I want to fill the color in the last one. How we can do? See this code. One div have 40%, one div have 10%, one div have 20%. I want the last also. Last is not filled. Shivani, tell me how I can pass. Where I will pass? I want this last color should, their last should be colored. How we can pass the color?
So take one more div, sir.
So we will take one more div. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Copy paste,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. And here we had taken a style something bits equal to 20%. Remove this bits and pass 30% and take this color also. Take this info and save. Now see, we got that one, but name is danger because the text is written danger. That's why. info. Got it? This way we had passed. So let's verify whether it's more than 100% or what. I don't know. I not calculated. So 40, 150, 50 and 270, 70 and 30, 100. That's fine. Let it to be not 100. Take this 20. So see, we got 20%. Clear? Shivani, clear? Amol. So in
Yeah.
this way, we can make
Yes, sir.
section a small area. Okay. And
Sir,
we can
sir.
what?
Means, sir, in overall, in Bootstrap, if we have remember that class name, that is enough now. Because
No need
all
of
things.
see, I telling you, no need of remember class. You have to remember the design. That's it. Got it? Suppose that you will means somewhere you need that making of progress bar. You have to keep in mind that something there is progress bar in the Bootstrap case. Open W3 school progress bar with the naming convention you can get somewhere progress bar will be. Clear? How much time it will take to search? Go one by one fast. You will get that within 2 minutes or 4 minutes you can search all content, but only you can get if you have idea. If suppose progress bar you have to make something pop up like success. Okay, when we are putting registration of that, and after successful of registration, then we know something alert is there. Go and open the alert. See, alert is there. Clear? If we want somewhere this one, open now the code class. Just check the class. Which class is working? This class. Take this and add in your code. That's it. Means keep in mind this design. No need of keeping mind in class also. But yeah, means normally you can get the class name. When you will practice, you will get this thing in your mind. But you have to keep in mind the design. You will get that. Means do reverse process. In interview, somebody will ask that how you can make that design, mean like a button, then alert. Suppose that you have to show pop-up navigation bar, otherwise that notification bar, then how you will make? Suppose notification is there. What was that? Badges. Correct. This one. This one was notification. No need to keep this code remembering. This class name itself, no need. But sure, you will get somewhat class name in your mind. Who is this 40%? Dharmender. Dharmender, full day you will upload video in YouTube and you will add a status, then where will be data? Okay, so be done up to pagination. Tomorrow we will cover list group. Okay, how much topics are there? So within one day I will reach navigation bar tomorrow. Yeah, then form means more to, that's it. More interesting thing is this one, cards.
सर मैं बोल रहा था कि 40% फील करके देखिए क्या हो रहा है.
Okay, 40% filled. Where is the data? It will not go anywhere because data is that much only there. Oh, I think it increased. What happened? Let's go 20%.
Sir,
No, that is 100% there.
Make it 60, sir.
Just 1 second.
Make it 60.
60. Anyway, it's going up to there itself. Make this 100. Oh, it's compressing left side actually. See, whatever we are getting means this side area, it compressing this one. Means it adjusting and it acquiring the other means spaces, whatever is there. Okay, so let's stop up to here, and next day we will practice after this. If you can do one help, then we can cover within 1 or 2 days itself. If you will complete somewhat from your end, then we can go somewhat fast. Okay, so if you try do that this thing, list group, card and drop down up to this means 3. I will share you the image. You can do up to this, up to drop down from the list group to drop down. Okay, then we can go somewhat fast in this case, because in this you have to keep in mind regarding the design, and somewhat you can keep in mind the regarding the that class name. If you can keep in mind, that's also fine. If not, no issue. But somewhat you can try that. Like buttons are there, then Jumbotron is there, then card will come. Then because these all things we will use in the Angular too much. See, this thing you can't keep in mind because when you going for interview, many works are there. Okay. Suppose whatever we are writing now, same thing W3 school have. If you want, you can use for W3 school also. Maybe in this in CSS part, maybe that have the link. See, I showing you somewhere that already have.
Sir,
It's not there. Okay. So no need to keep remember that all classes, just little bit minor classes we have to keep in mind. That's fine. No issue. Okay. So I going to stop recording. Just give me 1 second. And tomorrow just try to complete that whatever navigation bar we had discussed, that one.